Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Snow on the Bluff on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. For this song, you're gonna wanna be in standard tuning with your Capo on 4. The two chords you'll wanna know for this song are A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And E minor. Open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So after listening to the song a few times, I've realized that the guitar melody isn't really on any sort of beat that I could hear anyway, but what I'm hearing is that it's starting on A minor with your pointer finger here, and then you pull off your pointer finger, and then lift up your ring finger, right? So you kind of just go back and forth. So those are the notes that I'm hearing anyway. But if you want to play along to the song, you could probably just strum along to it with A minor. Down to E minor. Something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know some other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.